Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF online for free using Sejda PDF Editor without installing any software. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.sejda.com. This is a free and easy-to-use online PDF editor. Click on Edit a PDF, then choose Upload PDF File. Now select the PDF file from your computer and open it. Once the file is loaded, click on the text you want to edit. You can change the text content, font size, and alignment easily. If you want to hide sensitive information, use the whiteout or cover tool. Simply select the text area and apply white color to cover or hide it cleanly. To add your signature, click on Sign or Image option. Upload your saved signature image from your desktop and place it anywhere on the PDF. You can add image also here. After finishing all edits, click on Apply Changes. Then download it. Your edited PDF will be saved to your computer instantly. That's it. You've successfully edited a PDF online for free using Sejda. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.